Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are just outside Bad Bederkesa on our last 40 kilometers to Cuxhaven, and I was prepared to ride through the pouring rain and torrent winds, but so far, look at yourselves, it's even a little bit sunny, but that might change in a second. Yes, the wind is there, but then I have a motor and strong legs. So every kilometer that I can stay dry is a wonderful kilometer. That's what it looks like here. Not very special for it being some marshland or something, but it looks like the rest of Germany. So let's see if we can reach Cuxhaven on a dry note. That would be wonderful. So, a little update, 20 kilometers before Cuxhaven, still dry. It seems to be a hedge cutting day in Germany. Moin moin. And keep your fingers crossed that the rain will stay away for another hour and I can reach Cuxhaven dry. Just 16 more kilometers to Cuxhaven, still dry. And look at this. When you expect a lousy day and you get this, then you get real excited, and that's what I am. Let's go on. Well, the fun fact of the day is that since I'm pedaling towards Cuxhaven, I'm riding through Cux country. Nobody really knows what this Cux means. Must be an old origin. But I expected something special. Cux country, and now it looks like the rest of Germany. So am I disappointed? No, I'm enjoying it in bright sunshine. Naja, bright in sunshine. At 17 degrees, could be warmer, but let's not complain. I'm riding through Cux country and I am not wet. Guess what? I'm still dry and I have reached the bike shop where the bike will be serviced. Not today, but on Thursday. Wow. My God, what a wonderful bike shop. The bike will be serviced tomorrow and I have reached the northernmost point of my trip. So, from now on, you need a boat, or with a bike, you turn south again. Well, today seems to be a much nicer day than predicted. The locals say this is very often the case. So let's see how long I will stay here. Oh, I can even pedal along the dike. So, this is Cuxhaven. That's the seafront, but I knew this doesn't have much of a beach. That's why I go to the 3.5 kilometer distance Döse, where they have the beach. But they really know what a wind is up here. My Portuguese friends, these little funky looking boxes here, these are the beach boxes. They are built-in deck chairs and changing rooms and everything. You can even lock some valuables inside. You rent them for the day, for the week, and that's what they do up here. It's called a Strandkorb in German. A beach box, and here's even a woman enjoying one, but it is fresh and windy. Oh my God. So that's what the beach really looks like at low tide. Loads of these beach boxes. So I have reached this part of Cuxhaven where my apartment is. So I turn left behind the dike, but I'm sure I will be back here. And then meet something really nice. A Bismarck herring. To the apartment was fairly easy. I already know where the Aldi is. Just ate that Fischbrötchen and now I am enjoying this sunshine. God knows how many more moments I will have. I hope I can walk on the beach, but now I will just ride here, but I'm not. I'm riding down there, and let's see if I can show you one more or two more shots of the sea. If you are riding against the wind, it's pretty hard. If you are riding with the wind, you are flying. It's crowded. There's one ray of sunshine and everyone in northern Germany is out and about. But this looks nice. This is Dünen, I am in Döse, and they all belong to Cuxhaven. And everywhere they have these beach boxes. Look at this guy here. Cool. So, that's it for today. I go home. If there is a dry day, I might take this all to Bremerhaven. That would be a nice 100-kilometer day along the dike. Let's see. So bye guys, I call it a day. I would call it a day, but no, I have to show you this. And kind of most of these boxes are occupied. But cool. Kids are having fun. There are 2 people in the water. And there in the far distance you see an island. God knows what it is. So, but now I promise, I call it a day. Bye. So, hello. This is one of the sunny moments when I can be on the veranda of my apartment. That's the view from my veranda. It's pretty okay. 200 meters on the left, there is the ocean with the dike, where I have been walking in the morning and in the evening when it is dry. So this is nice. I have a nice little swimming pool down in the basement where I went swimming yesterday morning. All in all, I will spend here 4 days to wait out the rain. But to really wait it out, I would have to spend here like 10 days or so. The weather forecast for northern Germany is simply bad, to put it moderately. So, that's about it. The next 2 days I will wait it out. I'll stretch, I'll swim, I will enjoy the dry moments on the beach, and on Sunday I'm on the road again, going towards Hamburg and probably staying in Buxtehude, which is a funny name for a city, and I will see you then. Bye!